Power BI for Office 365 provides exciting new features and functionality that extend Excel and SharePoint Online. The Power BI Admin Center provides IT administrators with control, visibility, and provisioning capabilities. This enables IT administrators to confidently manage corporate data sources that can be searched and consumed in Power Query and accessible via Excel workbooks and SharePoint Online. It also allows for administrative delegation and scale-out needs. To get started, you'll need to log on to the IT portal using your administrative credentials. You are now ready to work with the Power BI Admin Center. The Admin Center provides you with a single experience for managing all your important data sources. This includes governing usage, securing and granting access to managed data sources. It also allows you oversight on incidences that might interrupt your data services. This downloadable application allows you to provide a consistent method of accessing corporate data sources using OData feeds, share Excel workbooks via SharePoint Online with built-in data refresh capabilities, and increase the visibility of Power Query searches. To create a new gateway, I need to click on the Gateway tab and click the plus button. I give my gateway a name and a description and click the Next button. By default, one instance is always created. You may add further instances with name and description as desired for availability and scalability considerations. After you click Create, you're almost there. Click on the Download button here to download the latest Data Gateway Management client. Then you'll need to install it. Once you've installed it, you'll need to register it before it becomes operational. To do that, copy the gateway key you see here and click Finish. After you've installed the gateway, you need to set it up. So let's switch to it. I'll need to paste the gateway key in that I copied earlier and click the Register button. You'll need to choose a certificate. I've got one pre-set up, so I'll choose that and click Next. Now I need to decide whether I'm going to use HTTP or HTTPS to deliver the data. I'll choose HTTP. Fantastic! Now let's define a data source for our data-hungry analysts. Using the Power BI Admin Center, you can define managed data sources that can be searched and consumed right from Excel with Power Query. In addition, you can enable data refresh for SharePoint Online workbooks. So let's create a managed data source. In addition to SQL and Oracle, you could define a SharePoint Online document library as a data source, or even a Power Query mashup. For an OData feed, remember to check the Enable OData Feed checkbox. In order for the gateway to connect to the database, you will need to provide the server and database name. Next, click on the Credentials button. This launches the Data Source Manager, which allows you to specify the credentials that will be used by the gateway to connect to the database. The Data Source Manager is a separate application that is launched within your corporate firewall. The credentials you enter here are stored securely on the machine where the gateway is installed. Next, you will select the list of tables and views that you want to share. After you have selected the tables or views, you can now select users who are able to search and access the data feed. I'm going to add Samuel because that guy's pretty cool. Congratulations, you've successfully created a managed data source and granted access to a user. Next, let's look at how you can use Power Query to search and access this data right from Excel. Click on the Power Query tab and check to make sure you're logged in. If not, you'll need to sign in using your organizational credentials. Once you're signed in, click on the Online Search button. This will give you a search field, and you can type in your query. You'll notice I got 3 results right away. I'm going to load this one right here. And there you have it, using Power Query to find and consume an OData feed right from Excel. Go visit PowerBI.com today to get started. Thanks for watching.